This is my delicious babka. I have been perfecting this recipe for weeks. I'm using my challah dough and olive oil and palm sugar and vanilla and chopped walnuts, and it is amazing. I think I'm gonna call it the babka explosion. Look at this. I cannot wait to eat this tonight for Shabbos. I will be making this soon, so this is just a sneak peek on some of the things that I'm doing. I've been bored with my Shabbos food, so I've been expanding and creating some new recipes. So I hope that you will join me. This is Rocket Zipporah. I'm also known as Gabriella Brown, the founder of Tooth Soap, and I love making Shabbos.